Good afternoon. Welcome to the Enchanted Quilt and our weekly unboxing of our inventory. We have not too much today. Let's get started. Remember, those of you that signed up for Strip Club, that is tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock at the church. And if you're participating in our basic skills class, it'll be tomorrow at 11:30. Okay, these are absolutely gorgeous. I wish I could take them out and show you, but this is a 57-inch square panel and has Merry Christmas. There is a pattern that goes with that, and I'm not sure where I put those. There is a pattern that goes with that, though. If you're wanting one of these, this is all we got. So if you're wanting one, I would suggest you come in and grab it because they aren't going to last very long. But the pattern, if I could remember where I put it, I'd go grab it. We got the pattern in before the panels came out. Oh, these are, if you remember, we've had these little mini boxes. And this one's been on back order for a while, but it sure is cute. It'd be great for a kid. It has jungle animals on it, and then you can color it. And I'm sure you probably use maybe the Sharpie markers, color markers, or whatnot. I'm not sure Crayolas would work on that. But they open up, and this bottom, you slide it down. The sides have the little mesh pockets on them, and you can use it to store a lot of things in. And I just thought they were really, really cute. I can't remember, there's another one I saw that's out that's similar to that, but it's not jungle animals. I can't remember what it was. Let's see what this one is. These are some of the newer Angela Walters rulers that you can use on your, well, you can use them on long arms. One's called Chevy and one's called Elvira. And you can use them on your long arm or your domestic sewing machine. And she likes to quilt on her domestic sewing machine, and I believe she has a handy quilter as well. But she developed these, and then Creative Grid manufactured them, and as with most Creative Grid rulers, or all Creative Grid rulers, they have the little grippies on the back. This is a bolt that I ordered for a customer, and it turns out by ordering, this is what happens when you order online and you're looking at a little bitty 1-inch by 1-inch picture. I thought it was the right color, but it's not. But it's still very, very pretty. It's from Wilmington Prints, and it's a real nice red. And then we got another shadow play that we haven't had before, and it's a real nice, it's called Tea-Tonal. And we got, can't have enough red, in my opinion. And this is called a classic red. I think that'd be pretty for Christmas. Oh, this one's light. Thought it was going to be heavy. Lots of paper. Alright, we've got... we were out of these. These are the Quilt As You Go mug mats, and we've shown those to you before. But this one in particular, this is the inspirational one, and that one's a real popular one. And we got some more of the feathers pattern. That's the one with the birds. We got got some strip tube rulers. And we got some more of the simple folded corners ruler, and then they have a mini one as well. Taped up good. Alright, some more of the Quilt As You Go. This is the table runner. This is new. This is a Quilt As You Go table runner. It works exactly the same way. You have a panel of batting and it's printed on it, and they're numbered. And it will give you the instructions on how to cut your strips, and then you will start with number 1 and stitch it, and then you'll put 2 on top of it, right sides together, and stitch it down, and then you'll flip it. So it's a stitch and flip method. And then we got some more of the bibs. These are going to be really popular. And we got some more Elvira's. And some Creative Grid rulers. Get them all out here before I drop the box. All right, what do we have here? We have the 12.5-inch squares, 8.5-inch squares, 6.5-inch squares. These are new for us. They've been around, but this is the first time we've gotten these in. This is an 8.5 by a 12.5-inch ruler. I think this will be a really handy size, so I ordered those. This one is heavy. Some Moda Marble Grunge. No? What are they called? Oh, this is the marble color. Okay. I can't read my own sticker. This color is called Marble, and it's one of the grunges. We got a wide back and this brown walnut. Oops. We got some soft Bella Black. Silky, actually it's silky soft. I think they have changed their, they used to have a regular black and then a soft black, soft finish black, and then they came out with a silky black, and I think it's taken the place of the soft black, because I tried to reorder the soft black and they didn't have it. And another wide back. This is from Kansas Troubles. We've had this in the past, and it seems to go real well. So we've got that. So that's everything for today that we got in this week. Now, behind me, I want to show you this quilt. This is called Summer Swag, and if you remember a few weeks back when we got the pattern, and I said we would have a sample forthcoming, and this is it. Chris finished it and sent it back, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Very summery, I guess you could say. I guess you could say patriotic too. The only thing she said about it is best press is your best friend when you use this. It's lots of pieces cut on the bias, so you want to use a lot of best press. So that is called Summer Swag, and it's designed by Krista Moser, and she uses the 60-degree diamond ruler, which she developed for Creative Grids. All right. We don't have many papers in here this week. I think we had a lot of travelers come through, though. And that's why it's not very full. Judy Smith, you are the winner of our $10 Facebook Live gift certificate for this week. I will pop that in the mail to you next week. And with that, have a great weekend.